My name is Alex Ramon Aguel. I am one of the contributors to the Fintech project, which is a rapid smart contract development platform for the Hyperledger fabric under the Hyperledger Labs. I always believe that blockchain is the perfect landscape for visionaries, people that has creative ideas, people that have creative thinking. But then that's probably one of the reasons why a lot of business today, they want to integrate blockchain into their platform. See, the problem is, once you integrate the blockchain into the platform, a lot of companies think, oh, that's too complicated. It's just too complex. And one of the questions that probably might be asked is, do I have the technical capability to actually implement blockchain into my business? Do I have to hire blockchain architects? Do I have to hire blockchain developers to implement projects for myself? And next thing would come is, once you integrate blockchain, you must have a network, or probably part of the network. Do I have the capacity to actually maintain my network just to make sure it is running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Those are a lot of questions that have, keep on bothering the businesses. That's why sometimes the adoption for blockchain is very low. And again, probably not the last one, but the most important one is it secure? Do I know how to make sure that the data in the blockchain is secure? So see, we have so many technical things if we implement blockchain in the system. That's why at Rappi, we always tell the business, what if all this problem would take out away from you, so business can focus on how they do things, what is best for them, okay? That's why one of the main design objectives for Rappi is we will provide a platform where the business can focus on the business problem, not the blockchain problem. Okay? So we try to simplify the process. They focus more on what they do best, which is manage the business. We take out the technicalities of the blockchain. See, I always believe in the saying, focus on the goal, not the obstacles. Most of the time, the blockchain becomes the obstacles to implement the blockchain platform. So now our platform is a digital asset management. So first thing is we need to understand what is a digital asset. So when we say digital asset, anything in the physical world, any physical commodities, we convert into digital equivalent. Say for example, tickets. Instead of printing tickets, we can have a digital ticket sent to your mobile phones. Receipts. Every time you buy from the store, online store, instead of giving a paper receipts, we have to make it digital receipts. Not only it's very easy, accessible, now you're actually nature friendly. We cut off all the papers. Everything is digitized. So the digital asset use case is very huge. Not only limited to coupons, tickets, loyalty points for your business, even anything that has the physical items like inventory, you can tap. When you produce a car, there's a serial number on the car, digitize it, and implement in the blockchain. Okay? But the thing is, okay, now I understand Rappi will actually take out the technicalities. I can now do business in the blockchain with the platform. So what are the properties of Rappi compared to other blockchain platforms? Number one, every asset, whether it's a car or a receipt, a ticket, there is a universal identifier assigned. Make sure that it is only one and only one in the blockchain and can be identifiable. Number two, to add security to the platform, it should be verifiable. That means I can verify that the asset is in the blockchain. I can see what's going on. Is it being transferred from one owner to another owner? It should be verifiable. And most importantly, asset has to be cryptographically signed. If you are the owner, you have to sign your asset with your own certificate. Nobody can take it away from you because you are the one and only owner, and it's being signed by the expired owner certificate. So this is to actually give you the confidence that nobody else takes ownership of asset except you. Now, how easy is it to integrate digital asset into your platform? So in a Rappi platform, we develop our project using the Hyperledger Fabric. So now, first thing is we provide a provider dashboard. So provider dashboard is central management. You take care of your blockchain platform from the dashboard. You handle your own set of users. That means the platform allows you to actually register your own set of users. At the same time, we provide secure API. If you have your own desktop application, web application, or maybe mobile application, you can integrate with the platform by using our secure API. Most importantly is sometimes, okay, I'm interested to integrate blockchain into my business. How quickly can I actually use it? That's why in Rappi, we provide prototype front-end application. Just to give you an idea, Rappi, we provide you with a lot of mobile application prototypes. You can customize it for different use cases. Like for example, this one, if you want to hire people, just hiring, you can use this one. You can also have like a virtual payment. We will provide you so you can get started with blockchain implementations right away. Okay, so once you integrate our platforms, you can probably roll out as quickly as you can think of. Okay, so but again, the most important thing, you don't have to worry about all the technical stuff. We do that for you. We even provide you with the front end, and we also provide you with the set of APIs that allows you to integrate your existing applications with us. Now again, going back here, we provide you end-to-end support. That means from the start, the development, to the after sales and everything, we will provide you with professional support to get started. Now, this is the central architecture of the Rappi. So the core element is we have the Rappi platform. It provides set of APIs to integrate with your existing applications. Now, each service provider can have their own set of users, independent from other service providers. Okay? And we also have the PIN provider, which is responsible for integrating with digital exchange. So for example, if you want to implement your own cryptocurrency, virtual cryptocurrency, or in-game commodity, so things is sometimes you need to exchange that with physical cash and back and forth. So Rappi will provide also you with a platform to exactly do that without all the technicalities for you. We handle all the technical part, you just focus on what you're doing, which is managing your business. Okay? Now, just like an example provided, is one example of a digital asset is a coupon. So if I am a restaurant chain owner, to be able to create a good relationship with my customer, sometimes I distribute coupons. It could be like discount coupons or a coupon with a fixed value. See, there's a different scenario. Why this is very important for business is, for example, like this one. If you distribute coupons, discount coupons or physical value coupons, it actually attracts customers. Okay, so not only it attracts customers, definitely it will also increase your sales. But most important thing, this is an effective marketing tool for potential customers in the future. We have the mobile apps for you ready. You can actually use it right away in your store. That allows you to actually issue and redeem the coupons. Okay, it's very quick to integrate. Now again, the problem is sometimes the coupon has a life cycle. One coupon I can transfer to another person. One coupon I can redeem to the store, like for example this one. So it's just too technical to implement. If you do it your own way, see, from the store provider, you issue the coupon, and the user can share the same coupon to another user and back and forth. And sometimes you can use the coupon, go to the store, get the discount and redeem. You see, the life cycle sometimes is just too complicated. You're transferring ownership of the asset, but here we simplified process in the Rappi platform. We do everything for you. We provide you with the front end app how to transfer coupons by scanning the QR code or maybe using NFC. We do that for you and you can implement everything as easily as fast as you can. Okay, so a typical potential audience we are using is we want to have an audience with business entities who are planning to integrate our platform with them, or maybe also for investors who are interested in the potential growth of the technology. Okay? We also would like to connect with software companies who wants to integrate our service platform with them. Now, normally this is just not enough. That's why we have our roadmap. One of the important roadmap is, remember, every business, they have their own set of users. That's why in the future, we will be integrating the self-sovereign identity, the centralized ID. Each user, they have their own decentralized identity under the sovereign network. So this is very powerful tool that we will be integrating in the future. And since you have the user, sometimes very important to actually verify, there's a profile verification for each of your users. We also integrate the KYC system. And you don't have to do it on your own. All these features, including currency exchange with hard money or other crypto exchange, we will do it in the platform. That's why, again, the main focus is focus on your business, not the technical side of blockchain. We do it everything for you in the system. That's why the Rappi platform digital asset use case is just too many. That's why we have infinite ideas how you want to implement. We have infinite possibility of how you want to play with your workflow. We have infinite opportunities of how you are going to deal with your customers or other companies. The main objective of the Rappi platform is we try to bridge the gap between business and the blockchain technology. Okay? So we try to simplify, just focus on your business, we take care of the blockchain. And we provide you with everything that we can, from prototype applications, web app, mobile apps. We will assist you to get started. Okay? Thank you very much. I'm sorry? Right now we are on some of the features is on beta testing, but there are some features that we roll out with some restaurant chains. So it's already in production for 1 to 2 months.